Howdy, folks. It's Harrison with Mainely Acres Farms, and thank you so much for joining us today. Today's video is a product review, as you guys can see here. So this company, Elegear, got a hold of us on the email and asked us if we'd be interested in reviewing their cooling comforter. And I said, yes, I'm definitely down for that because when I sleep at night, I get awfully hot. I know there's a lot of other guys I've talked to that have the same way. So if you are one of those guys that sleeps hot, you're definitely going to want to check this company out. The feel of this blanket is amazingly soft. Even if the cooling part of the blanket didn't work, which it does, and I'll talk about that in a minute, it is so soft. The feel of it is kind of like a mix between satin and silk. That's how amazingly soft it is. I believe the outside of this is made with about 90% nylon and 10% spandex, so it does have a little bit of stretch to it. And then the inside layer inside, because it is like a little quilted blanket, is the poly foam layer. So it is a really nice quality. As you guys can see, the stitching on here looks really good. I mean, this is a sewing channel. We should look at the stitching here. And it looks like the tension was set up correctly. We don't have any loops on the top or the bottom. It's really constructed really nice, and I love the stretchiness and the coolness of the blanket. Now my son, when we let him use this, he said that the blanket felt damp to him, and I think that's just because of the cooling properties of it and the way that it feels in your hand. So I assure you that they're not damp when they come to you. They come in this nice box here, and they are inside of a bag in the box. And when we got it, I didn't notice any like funky smells or anything. You know, sometimes when you order blankets and stuff offline and they're in a plastic bag, you open it up and it reeks of like plastic or rubber. We did not have that issue with this here. It was really nicely packaged and ready to go. Now, we have washed this since using this because, like I said, we've been using it for about 4 weeks now. And you can wash it in your washing machine, but just wash it on a cold to medium warm setting. You don't want to wash this in really hot water. And then when you want to dry it, do not put it in your dryer. You're going to want to put it on a drying rack inside of your home or outside in a shaded area. So if you guys have a clothesline that part of it's kind of shaded, I would put it on there. You don't want to put this in direct sun. Now, what's really cool about this is it uses the same type of technology that we find in a lot of our active sportswear or our hiking gear. So if any of you guys wear like the different layers of clothing to keep yourself cool when going on long jogs and stuff like that, it runs on the same premise. So it is wicking the moisture away from your body and turning that into a nice cooling blanket. And so it absorbs the heat from you and it keeps you nice and cool. Now, I haven't gotten to try this in the dead of summer yet because we're just coming into spring now up here in Maine. So I will make a part 2 video to this to let you guys know how it works out in the summertime. If you guys aren't aware, a lot of people up here in Maine don't have central air or air conditioning in their homes because there's only like 1 or 2 weeks where we really would need something like that. So we don't have any air conditioning here, so it's going to be really nice to put this to the test come this summertime. Like I said, we have ordered one of these for our son, and we really do recommend these. They are really nice. My wife loves that. I mean, everybody here loves it. And I imagine when our daughter gets older, she's going to want her own. The color that we got was a gray color. I don't know if the camera's picking up. There's some stripes in here, so you have like a dark stripe and a light stripe next to each other. And the quilting pattern in here is the diamond type pattern, and it's really nice constructed, and like I said, it has a nice little stretch to it as well. Now, if you do want to order this for yourself, the link down below, we do actually get a 10% back if you guys order through that link, and we'll also offer a discount code below. So this is going to be a paid for commercial. This is like the only second commercial or product review that we've done where we actually get a percentage of the sales, and I like to disclose that in these so that way you guys know full disclosure of the benefits that we get for you guys ordering this or not ordering it. regardless if we were to be paid for this, I would still recommend this. We actually bought one of these before. They offered us an affiliate link so that way we could get 10% of it. But I do highly recommend this, and especially if you guys sleep hot at night and have the sweats. And for the ladies too, I just noticed that the most of the people that I've talked to about this product, it's the men typically that are running hotter at night than the females. I don't know, sound option, let me know what that ratio is. So once again, guys, it is the Stretch Fabric Cooling Comforter known as Arc Chill, and it is from Elegear is the name of the company that sent us out to do this product review. So thank you, Elegear, for sending this out for us to check out. And if you guys want to check it out, make sure to hit the description button below so that way you can get your discount code and the link to order your own. Thank you so much for staying tuned in. Take care, guys, and as always, spend time with that family and get snuggled under this nice cooling blanket.